Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can use Uber Cash in Uber Eats. Alright, let's begin with the video. First, open the Uber Eats application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, tap on the account icon at bottom right corner of your screen and your profile page will load up. Here, tap on the wallet icon at the top and select Add Payment Method. Inside this menu, you will have the option to add a debit or credit card. Simply tap on it and then enter the required details to link it. Once done, you will then have the option to add funds to your Uber Eats wallet and then use the credits to place an order. So that's basically how you can use Uber Cash in Uber Eats. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.